Good morning, children. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. The question is given now. Find all the numbers triples x, y, z such that when any of these numbers is added to the product of other two, the result is 2. So, like this, Olympiad logical critical problems will be uploaded now. Okay, this is asked by in Canadian Max Olympiad. Canadian Max Olympiad 1970. Canadian Max Olympiad 1970. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. Your subscription is very, very important because it is a new channel. So here, before going to this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you get the solution to this? If you are having any easy methods than this, you can give that suggestions also in the comment box. So here by the given data we have x plus yz, x plus y into z is equal to 2, y into y plus xz, x into z is equal to 2, and z plus xy is equal to 2. So these are the three equations we are getting. Our three combinations will get. Let us take it as 1, 2, and 3. So here the logic is, so first to subtract 1 and 2. So if you subtract 1 and 2, x minus y plus yz minus xz is equal to 0. So here x minus y, here you can take z common. I am taking minus z common. X minus y is equal to 0. So here I will take 1 common. So here you are getting x minus 1 into 1 minus z equal to 0. X minus 1 into 1 minus z equal to 0. So what are the conditions? So either z is equal to 1 or x is equal to y. So these two conditions will get out. So here if you take case 1, z is equal to 1. So we have one solution. If you take z is equal to 1, we have one solution. So x comma y comma z is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1. Because it is symmetric, so it is symmetric, so you will get the solution xyz will be equal to 1 1 1 now. X equal to 1, y equal to 1, z equal to 1. Now if you take case 2, if in the case 2 x is equal to y, so replace in the first one x plus xz is equal to 2, and if you replace this in third one, here what will get z plus xz x square, z plus x square is equal to 2. If you replace in first one, you will get that one. If you replace in third one, you will get this one. So here z is equal to, from the third equation, z is equal to 2 minus x square. Z value is 2 minus x square. I am substituting this value in 1 hour. So here what will get x plus x into 2 minus x square is equal to 2. So here what will get x plus 2x minus x cube is equal to 2. So you can write it as x cube minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now if you write the factors for this, so here if you substitute x equal to minus 2, by trial and error x is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 will be equal to 0. So here you will get minus 8 plus 6 plus 2 equal to 0. So here you will get x plus 2 is a factor. Here x plus 2 is a factor. The other factor will be x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square equal to 0. So by this you can use by Horn's method. You can solve this by Horn's method. That also I am doing here in short method. Here 1, 0, minus 3, 2. So minus 2 is the factor, 0. So here 1, minus 2, minus 2, here will get plus 4, here will get 1, minus 2 will get. So here what will get x square minus 2x plus 1. So this can be written as x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square. So here if you take x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to x minus 1 now. X is equal to 1. Already have shown that x value, y value 1 now. X value, y value and z value is 1. So this is a symmetric equation. All are symmetric form. So the value of x comma y comma z will be minus 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 2. So the possible solutions we are having so xyz is equal to minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 or 1 comma 1 comma 1. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath.